Look at this. I'm here, I'm getting soaked. My beautiful girlfriend's on there with a hoodie on and an umbrella. So she's not getting wet at all. But look at me, getting soaked because I'm the nice guy. Do it. Mira eso. Hey babe, you nice and covered, right? With the umbrella and the hoodie on? You're having a great time, right? I'm soaked. We got another 10 minutes to go.
7 minutes?
We have another 7-8 minutes to go. We're not even halfway. But the view is gorgeous. I don't mind getting wet. Mira. We are way high. And we're only going higher. And look, there's nobody else. And there's nobody behind us either. Whoop. Sigue, 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 sigue. We're just getting higher, baby. It's not that bad of a drop, you know? About to fall out, I can just scale this mountain up. I'm pretty agile. So, in today's lesson, make sure you always carry 2 umbrellas because your girl's gonna take yours so she's nice and dry. And I'm gonna be here looking like David Hasselhoff in Baywatch. Yeah, that's me. It's so peaceful up here, huh?
A lot of people don't want to risk their lives.
Look, look, look. She's fancy, taking video, and I'm here like a wet dog, like a Dominican wet dog. But the view is amazing. Wow, we're really high up. Look, look, we're just coming out of thin air. That is awesome. All right, guys, we're almost to the top.
It's unbelievable. Wow.
It's hailing? I haven't seen hail since this past summer.
No, it's hailing, dude.
Oh my.
No good. As soon as he stops, we have to make a run.
Run where?
To get down the mountain.
So, here we are. We're making our way down. And it's wild, man. It was hailing in a torrential rainstorm. This is crazy. Crazy. But we had a great time. My girl's down there. Nice and wet. Slow and steady. We'll get there. So, here I am. Still making my way down. It's still raining. I'm soaked, you know, but it looks good on me. Looks good, looks good, looks good. So I gotta turn it to the side a little bit. But yeah, this is an amazing experience. Started at the very top, all the way up there. We're making our way down. Finally on our way back down to the city.
Video, my phone was so wet.